Oh, look at this. Precious Piper is watching the staircase. Hi, baby. Hi. Well, you're doing an awfully good job. Yes, you are. Sitting up there like that, keeping an eye on everything. Yeah, you always do a good job. It just goes without saying. You're a very good protector. Yeah, you look pretty sweet up there on that fuzzy throw. Yes, you do. Very decorative. Yeah, you look very decorative. Oh, look at that. She just wants to watch what's going on down there. Yeah, anything important? It doesn't look like it. No, you'd probably be jumping down from there if there, well, hopefully not that way. No, of course not. You would jump down on my side over here and then run over to the stairs and go down there and get whatever it was that was bothering you. But I guess there's nothing there. Yeah, yeah, I guess you're just going to relax up there. Well, that's good. You can relax and guard at the same time. Yeah, I'm sure you hear anything coming by. Oh, look at that tail. Look at that tail. Oh, that's a pretty tail, Piper. It is. I wonder how many calories you burn a day flipping your tail around, huh? Yeah, that must burn up a lot of energy. That makes sense, doesn't it? Yeah. Okay, cutie, you can just relax up there and guard, okay? Yeah.